Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be working on my e-brake today. Not much going on. But yeah, I'm just gonna respray it, sand it down and repaint it. So let's get it done. Bring you guys out with me. E-brake, guys. I'm just gonna sand it down. It's 240. It's pretty junk. So this way I can make it look better. Good enough. Give it a quick wipe down, wash maybe, and spray it. I'll be back. Alright, just about done. Just painted it. Looks okay. I thought the paint was gonna be darker, but it's kind of like the same stock paint color. Not too bad. Alrighty, I'll let this thing dry, and I'll be back. See you guys soon. Peace. So yeah, I'm not sure if I recorded myself painting it. We'll see you in the video. See you guys later. Peace.